Welcome back to Car Riz. Today we're taking an exciting look at the upcoming 2025 Lexus LX 600. This luxury SUV promises to elevate your driving experience with a perfect blend of power, style, and technology. Let's jump right in. Starting with its design, the 2025 LX 600 features a striking and bold aesthetic. The iconic spindle grille, flanked by sleek LED headlights, gives it a commanding presence on the road. Its sculpted body lines and muscular stance not only enhance its visual appeal, but also hint at its robust. For a performance, step inside, and you're greeted by a world of luxury. The interior is meticulously crafted with high-quality materials like soft leather and elegant wood accents. Spacious seating for up to 8 ensures comfort on long journeys, and the available panoramic sunroof creates an airy feel, inviting the outside in. Now let's talk performance. The LX 600 is powered by a powerful 35-liter twin-turbo V6 engine, generating an impressive 409 horsepower and 479 lb-ft of torque. Paired with a smooth 10-speed automatic transmission, it offers quick acceleration and seamless shifts. This UV isn't just about power on the highway. With the kinetic dynamic suspension system, it excels off-road, providing exceptional stability and control. Plus, the multi-terrain select feature lets you choose the best driving mode for any condition, whether you're navigating rocky trails or snowy roads. When it comes to technology, the LX 600 doesn't disappoint. The 14-inch touchscreen infotainment system is both intuitive and feature-rich, offering Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium navigation system. The available Mark Levinson audio system will make your favorite tunes sound incredible. Safety is paramount in the LX 600. It comes equipped with Lexus Safety System, which includes adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and a pre-collision system. These features work together to provide peace of mind on every journey. In conclusion, the 2025 Lexus LX 600 is set to impress with its luxurious design, powerful performance, and advanced technology. It's not just a vehicle, it's an experience. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more automotive insights. Until next time.